In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Nothing Phone 3A. The box of Nothing Phone 3A looks like this. It is a successor to Nothing 2A. Here you can see that the price mentioned on the box is 27,999, but I bought it on the day of launch, so I got it for approximately 15,000 with exchange and bank offer. So without wasting any time, let's open this. Inside you will get another white box like this. Once you open the box, you will, on the left side you can see that welcome to Nothing, and here is a phone. Let's keep the phone aside. As I said, we don't get a travel adapter, we only get a cable. Here is a cable. You also receive a booklet, and you also receive a SIM ejector tool. Here is the cable, type C to type C. The build quality of the cable is good. Here is the phone. The back of the phone looks like this. Nothing Phone 2A had a plastic at the back, but with Nothing Phone 3A it is glass, and here you can see the triple camera system and glyph lights. Now let's turn on the phone. Here is a power button. You need to press and hold this power button. Here you can see the Nothing branding, powered by Android. Click on next. The first thing which you need to do is you need to insert a valid Indian SIM card. Now at the bottom you can see the SIM tray. Take the SIM ejector tool, insert the SIM ejector tool like this inside the hole, and the SIM tray will open up. You can use dual SIM cards, SIM 1, SIM 2. You need to insert the SIM card like this. Now it is authenticating the SIM card. SIM card authentication successful. Now if you want, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now you have the option to copy, don't copy. I am going to click on don't copy. I would like to set up the phone as new. If you want, you can enable or disable these programs. Click on next. Here you can see the meet the glyph interface. Click on next. Click on next, and here you can see that what's new in Nothing OS 3. Click on next. Otherwise you can simply click on skip. Choose a visual style. I will go with Nothing. Click on finish setup. Now the phone has been booted up. This is how the user interface of Nothing looks like. You have the app drawer. You don't have any bloatware apps pre-installed on the Nothing phones. That's a good thing with Nothing phones. Now let's go to settings and check if there are any updates. Click on settings, scroll down and click on about phone. Click on Nothing OS. Here you can see that already there is update. The size of this update is approximately 300 MB. Click on download and install, and let's go back, and here you can see the Android version. It is 15. Now let's open the camera and take few sample shots. If you can see, here is the clarity. The clarity is pretty good on Nothing Phone 3A. Now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. This phone has a big screen, 6.77 inch 120Hz AMOLED flexible display. At the front it has 32 megapixel front facing camera. The top of the phone looks like this. At the bottom you have the speaker grill, type C port for charging, and SIM tray. On the left side you have the volume rockers up and down. On the right side you have the power button and essential key. And the back of Nothing Phone 3A looks like this. It has a triple camera setup with 50 megapixel OIS camera and 50 megapixel telephoto camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide Sony camera. This phone is equipped with 5000 mAh battery, and it is powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Nothing Phone 3A. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.